Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your financial freedom with Wealthsimple, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your financial freedom with Wealthsimple, start by visiting the Wealthsimple website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. You will then receive a verification email. Be sure to check your inbox and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your new account. Complete the onboarding questionnaire to help Wealthsimple understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. Choose the type of account you want to open, whether it's an individual, joint, or retirement account. Next, fund your account by linking a bank account to transfer money. Determine how much you wish to invest, considering your financial situation and future goals. Review and confirm your investment strategy based on your questionnaire results. Wealthsimple will then create a diversified portfolio tailored to your needs. You can monitor your investments through the Wealthsimple dashboard, where you'll see your portfolio's performance. Adjust contributions or investment preferences anytime through your account settings. Utilize educational resources provided by Wealthsimple to enhance your financial knowledge. Regularly review your financial goals to ensure your investment strategy remains aligned with them. Consider consulting with Wealthsimple's financial advisors for personalized guidance as needed. As your financial situation evolves, revisit your risk tolerance and adjust your portfolio accordingly. Stay informed about market trends and investment opportunities through Wealthsimple's updates. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your financial freedom with Wealthsimple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.